Friends, hope you all are fine and safe. We were discussing about our chapter number 12, our shelter, and in our last video we have seen how the different houses are classified based on the different materials that they are made up of, or the different locations where they are made up of, whether they are temporary houses or permanent houses, right? And we have talked about kacha houses and pakka houses. Now if we talk about the location, that means some houses are very much famous and popular in a particular area. That means these houses, they are built according to the climate of that particular place and what things are available in those areas, what type of things are around them. So based on that, these houses are built. So they are very special houses and they are built in a particular areas only. So if we talk about hilly areas or mountain regions, we know beta, in those regions there can be snowfalls and rainfalls also. So in those regions the houses are built with sloping. You know what is a slope? This type of figure. Generally when we talk about the house, what structure comes in our mind? We make the house like this, okay? So these roofs are called sloping roofs. Okay, now why we make these type of sloping roofs in hilly areas or mountain areas? Because they get most of the time rains or snowfalls. Okay, so when these rains fall down or snowfalls occur, the snow or water can easily slide down, it can easily go down, it will not get stagnant, जमा नहीं हो जाएगा छत पे, नीचे फिसल जाएगा. समझ रहे हो बेटा? आइस या स्नो और वाटर जो है इस तरह के हाउसेस में नीचे फिसल जाएगा. ओके, सो इन दोज प्लेसेस द हाउसेस आर मेड विथ स्लोपिंग रूफ्स, राइट? एंड इन plains means we are living on the plains only. So here we have generally flat roofs. So in your homes you might have observed सबके यहाँ पे terrace होता है. Whether you are living in any building, apartment, we used to have terrace. So that is a flat. Okay, flat means समतल, मीन्स उबड़ खाबड़ या कोई दूसरी शेप डिज़ाइन का नहीं. वी विल बी हैविंग ऑल द टेरेस इन द प्लेन. ओके, सो दैट इज़ द प्लेन्स. So generally all the apartments, whatever we are living, bungalows, they are made on the plains, right? And if we talk about the places like Greenland and Canada, most of the year they are always filled with snow, right? So there the people, they live in igloos. Igloos are the houses that are made up of ice. Okay, and because beta, like I told you, what things are available to us to make this house, we use those material only. अब जहाँ पे all time ice होता है वहाँ पे trees मिलना मुश्किल होता है, स्ट्रॉ मिलना मुश्किल होता है, तो ऐसी मटेरियल्स, वुड मिलना मुश्किल होता है. तो ऐसे मटेरियल्स जहाँ पे मिलना मुश्किल होता है, ब्रिक्स, मड, वी डोंट गेट ऑल दीज थिंग्स सो ईजीली. ओके, so whatever is available, ice is available, so we make the houses with the ice, and that is called igloo. Do you know the people who live in igloos, what they are called? You know, they are called Eskimos. Okay, so they are called Eskimos. Now in some areas we used to get heavy rainfall all the year round. वहाँ पे बारिश होती ही है. Especially if we talk about the नॉर्थ ईस्ट पार्ट. नॉर्थ ईस्ट में कौन से स्टेट्स आते हैं बेटा? वी हैव जनरली लाइक असम, मणिपुर, मेघालय, अरुणाचल प्रदेश. दीज आर द स्टेट्स इन द नॉर्थ ईस्ट. सो दे आर द fully covered with forests and hilly areas, so we get mostly the rainfall there. Most of the time it rains there. Okay, so the Cherrapunji, आपको पता ही है बेटा, it is in that area only that gets the highest rainfall. So in those areas many people, they make their houses on stilts. तो जो सपोर्ट वो देते हैं, that means घर ज़मीन से थोड़ा ऊंचा बनाते हैं. and how they give support to their house, those supports or set of those sticks, or they can be metallic rods, that is called stilts, and these houses are called stilt houses. And these type of houses प्रोटेक्ट देम फ्रॉम स्नेक्स, प्रोटेक्ट देम फ्रॉम वाइल्ड एनिमल्स, स्टेगनेंट वाटर, जब हैवी रेनफॉल की वजह से पानी घर के अंदर नहीं आ जाता है, सो दे आर ऑलवेज प्रोटेक्टेड। और जब बारिश होती है बेटा, वी नो डिफरेंट इंसेक्ट्स बाहर निकलने लगते हैं, स्नेक्स बाहर निकलने लगते हैं, और वाइल्ड एनिमल्स भी यहाँ वहाँ आ जाते हैं। सो उन दोज केसेस दे कीप देमसेल्फ सेफ because their houses are above the ground level, right बेटा? So according to the climate, climate means क्या है, उस वहाँ पर कैसा वेदर होता है। वेदर तो कीप चेंजिंग बेटा, लेकिन किस टाइप का वेदर ज़्यादा टाइम के लिए होता है, इट इज़ फॉर द मोर पीरियड, ओके, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड द क्लाइमेट। फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आप बोलें कि माउंट आबू का क्लाइमेट कैसा है, सो वी नो माउंट आबू एक हिल स्टेशन है, तो वहाँ का क्लाइमेट ज़्यादातर ठंडा होता है। हाँ, कभी कभार गर्मी पड़ सकती है, बट हम इससे की वजह से ये नहीं कहेंगे कि वहाँ का क्लाइमेट गर्म है। नो बेटा, क्लाइमेट इज़ समथिंग दैट इज़ फॉर मोर टाइम। सो जनरली इट इज़ अ कोल्ड प्लेस, वी कॉल इट एज अ हिल स्टेशन, ओके। सो आपको पता है ना बेटा, राजस्थान और गुजरात का एक ही हिल स्टेशन है, दैट इज़ माउंट आबू। मुझे ये पता है, अगर इसके अलावा भी कुछ है तो बेटा आई डोंट नो, राइट? सो दैट इज़ ऑल अबाउट द हाउसेस that are built according to the climate, that means according to the location we make the different houses, right? Now if we talk about the houses that are permanent or temporary, so all the houses like igloos, then we have stilt houses, or we have any sloping houses, or we have apartments, we have bungalows, all these houses, they are permanent houses. We cannot shift the house from one place to another place. So permanent houses means the houses that are fixed in one place, we cannot move them from one place to another place. So these houses are called permanent houses, and we all live in our permanent houses, in our houses that are permanent, right beta? So we all live in permanent houses. But there are certain people who used to move from place to place. Suppose if we talk about the people who are in the मेलाज, आपने तो मेलाज एंड फेयर्स बहुत अटेंड किए होंगे बेटा। सो ये वो लोग होते हैं जो कभी एक प्लेस पे नहीं रहते हैं, आज यहाँ पर हैं, कल दूसरे प्लेस पर जाकर मेला लगाएंगे, तीसरे प्लेस पे कहीं और जाकर मेला लगाएंगे। सो लाइक दैट दे चेंज देयर प्लेसेस एंड दे अर्न देयर मनी विद दिस एक्टिविटी। सेम वे जो सर्कस है, इट इज़ नॉट फिक्स्ड इन वन प्लेस, है ना, आज यहाँ पर है, कल राजकोट में होगा, परसों अहमदाबाद में होगा। सो इट कीप्स ऑन चेंजिंग प्लेस टू प्लेस, एंड दीज पीपल they are called nomads, okay? Nomads, they are the people who never stay in one place, they move from one place to another place, and their houses are also not permanent, that means their houses are also temporary, that means they are not fixed in one place, they keep on moving from place to place. So permanent means जो fixed है, and temporary means that is not fixed, it keeps on moving from place to place. Now if we talk about the permanent houses, then the first example that we have is of caravans. Caravans, it is a house on wheels. So you might have seen beta the buses, it looks like a bus but actually it's not a bus. बस में तो सिर्फ हमारे बैठने की फैसिलिटी होती है बेटा. Caravans, it provides all the facilities to the people who are living in that caravan. So it is a house only. They can fulfill all their requirements that a house can provide by living in that caravan. So nomads generally they live in caravans and they keep on moving. So it is a house on wheels, right? And through the road they move from one place to another place. Then the second one is tents. So the people who live in the tents. So tent, it is made up of strong that is canvas, thick cloth that is canvas, okay, and it can be fixed in any place, and again we can just remove that and we can fold it, we can pack them, and again in other place again we can fold it, we can fix it, we can stay there for a short period of time. So who use these type of houses or tents especially? So especially mountaineers and soldiers and even द पीपल हु एन्जॉय कैंपिंग, जिनको अच्छे अच्छे एडवेंचर्स करना मज़ा आता है, these type of people, they carry these tents along with them, and these tents can be placed in the forest, on the mountains, in the deserts, right? So wherever they are going, they carry their tents and they fix them once they have completed their target, or once they have spent some time, then again they fold their tents and they take them away from them, right? So that is the tents. They are also temporary houses. Then we have the houses that can float on water, that are built in a way so that they can float on the water, and we can say it is built on a boat. So these houses are called houseboats, right beta? So houseboats, these are the houses that can float on water and that can move from one place to another place. So what do you think, इस टाइप के हाउसेस कहाँ होते हैं? So we know beta, in Kashmir we have so many what is called lakes. So we can see them in the lakes of, that is very special lake is there in Kashmir, that is Dal Lake. Hindi we call as Dal Jheel, right? It is a very famous lake in Kashmir. Kashmir is a beautiful place and with beautiful lakes, and in Dal lakes you can see these houseboats. So people generally live in the houseboats. And in Kerala, so Kerala again we have backwaters, okay? So we can see beautiful houseboats on these backwaters that float from one place to another place. So whenever you get chance, ask your parents to take you to Kashmir and Kerala also beta. We should enjoy these houseboats. Frankly speaking, I have also not visited, but definitely I'll also try to visit, and you also ask your parents to take them to these beautiful places. Like Kashmir is very beautiful and we can enjoy this houseboat. Same way Kerala, the tourism, it provides the trip on the houseboats also. You can stay there for one day and you can move from one place to another place. You can spend some time in the houseboat. You can enjoy the backwaters, the coconut trees on both sides of the backwaters. It's really a beautiful experience. You should have a visit. So that is all about the houses. That is our shelter that protects us from different enemies, then wild animals or bad weather hai. So students, house is a beautiful place to spend our time, to live together with our family. We do many activities there, and we have seen what are the different types of houses. Now in our house we used to have generally means some of you might be having, I don't have, but some special family members also. Whom? That I'll tell you in our next video. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Don't forget to make your plan to these places, right? So have a trip. Enjoy.